is the difference between face tight and facelift in terms of procedure, results, and recovery time?
FaceTite is a less invasive procedure than a facelift. FaceTite is done through 3 small incisions by the chin and in front of the ears to treat moderate loose skin, whereas a facelift is a larger procedure involving incisions in front of and behind the ears in order to tighten more significant skin laxity. So the choice between the two is determined by how much laxity is in the area underneath the chin and in the lower face. The recovery time between the two is different. There's quicker recovery with face tight since it's a less invasive procedure, whereas a facelift has a longer recovery time. But both are excellent procedures and well tolerated by patients with excellent results if they're applied to the appropriate situation.
What is the average age range for a facelift?
Average age range for a facelift is it's variable from person to person, but I would say 45 to 60.
Is there a better time of year to have a facelift?
The timing for any surgical procedure depends really on your schedule and your activities outside. And I think it's variable from person to person depending on what you like to do.
What is the average healing time for a facelift versus a face tight?
The healing time for a face tight is quicker. You have some swelling, which usually subsides within a week or so. You don't see the maximal skin tightening though for up to 8 to 10 weeks. Whereas with a facelift, the recovery time before the edema and swelling resolves may be 3 to 4 weeks, but you see a much more immediate result.
What are some things that you need to avoid after having a face tight procedure?
You should avoid tobacco use, smoking, strenuous activity.